Hello, hello. The question for today's video is it possible to have too many black horse leather boots? And the answer is, of course not, but also yes. If you're trying to slim down your collection, like I am right now, the answer is yes. So I am selling these. These are going in a trade, and so I just wanted to make a video comparing the black Horsebutt and Horsehide here while I have all these still, and kind of go through them a little bit, compare and contrast. Start with these, selling these to some lucky guy. This is the White's Rancher Farmer 7-inch boot with an unstructured toe, and Horween Horsehide, which is a little bit thinner than Horsebutt traditionally, but as you can see, it's awesome. It's an awesome leather, one of my favorite leathers out there, and I have it on this Wesco as well. But I love these rolls. Can only hope that I can get these in that same place, but these look fantastic. Beautiful T-core, black T-core Horsehide from Horween. You can see some of the T-core up here on the collar where it gets a lot of rubbing, but this is pretty thick, especially for Horsehide, and I just love the way these look. Very cool. Great construction from White's here. I like the 7-inch height over 6, and nice to have. But I'll be moving these on. Like I said, the other pair, since I don't need 3 black engineers, I know they're all a little bit different. I told myself they're all different. Obviously got blacked out except for the white stitch, and then contrast welt on the Wescos there. But yeah, 3 of them, probably too much. So I'm gonna be exchanging these in a boot exchange with my boot buddy Jason, Canada. But this pair of Skoob Wander Engineers in black Horsebutt are fantastic. I don't know, hopefully you can see, camera picks up the beautiful grain on here. Beautiful leather, super thick, great rolls coming in already. This is also a T-core Horsebutt, very thick. This upper's pretty stiff. Take a long time. These aren't giving up the T-core too fast, which I actually really like. A little bit lower heel on these compared to some of the other engineers, but I like that. The cat's paw, the built right, half sole, nice curves, beautiful design. The Japanese makers use really nice thick Horsebutt on a lot of their stuff. I've noticed, can't go wrong with that. Really like the shape of the toe on these, a little more narrow through here compared to especially these Zerrows right here. You can see these are wider, a little bit kind of a flatter toe, but really nice profile here. This fits my foot really well, kind of widens out here, gives room for your feet and your toes. But I'll do another video about these in a little bit, because I recently got these in a boot trade as well. This is a crazy thick, beautiful Horsebutt as well, and these have the T-core kind of coming through nicely. You can see here on the heel, good example of a nice smooth T-core happening, and on the toe as well. These are gorgeous. These have the kind of tan interior. Like, most T-core. These ones have like a darker on the inside, but still T-core, but maybe that's part of them taking longer to T-core, which is, like I said, not a bad thing, but just like really beautiful, nice, thick Horsebutt on these and these. And then here's the original Wesco Mister Lou's in the Horween Horsehide, which again is a little bit thinner, you can see, but still super tough and awesome. Like I said, I can only hope I can get these rolls looking like on these whites over here, but so far just really nice creasing going on here. Just got to keep wearing them. I know these don't look like I wear them at all, but I have worn these actually quite a bit. Just kind of lucked out with the clicking on these, and they're super comfortable for me. I don't know if you can see, like, we've got like the little Horween stamp in there. So these conform really well to your feet. And then another recent acquisition is these rolling Dub Trio Jodhpurs. So from Japan. These are really nice Horsebutt as well. I don't know if you can see, there's some good green happening here. These also, I'm really hoping get some good rolls at them started here. But these are fully lined, so with the lining, it's very thick. But even the Horsebutt is nice and thick. Not quite as heavy as these two Engineers here. Kind of feels more like the Horsehide, as far as it's actually softer than even the Horsehide from Horween. So different flavor, and I think definitely excited to keep these breaking in nicely. See a little bit of nice horse grain here on this heel. It's a little more of a matte finish. These ones are super shiny. These are shiny, more of the matte kind of finish. Same with the other Horween here. But these are super awesome. Yes, you can have too much black Horsehide, but I love it. It's definitely my favorite go-to for an engineer. But like I said, a responsible collection. I probably only need 2 of these, 2 out of 3, but just wanted to give you a quick comparison, contrast of the different black horse while I have all these boots. Let me know if you have any questions, and be well.